Hello, my name is Nick Safrit. I work at Digitize Designs. Today I'm here to show you the Artec Point. This is a blue laser scanner, has an accuracy of 20 microns, or about 8/10,000ths of an inch, which means it's a metrology grade scanner. It can be used in any kind of reverse engineering or inspection applications. I'm looking at the scanner itself. I have a laser emitter right here in the middle. That's going to project lasers onto my part. They're going to bend into form, and these two cameras are going to watch for those lasers and collect data off the surface of my part. On the back, I have a few buttons that give me some control while I'm scanning, and right here, two cables that just run power and USB over to my laptop. Now I'm going to jump right into scanning these markers that are on my turntable and my part. The markers just help the scanner anchor itself in space. Once I am done scanning those markers, I'm going to switch the scanner over to laser mode. And it's going to start collecting data off that surface. This scanner has three scanning modes. This first one is laser crosses. It's scanning about 2.8 million points per second. The next mode is parallel lines. It's good for scanning higher detail areas, getting a little bit closer. And then the third mode is single line, which is really good at getting data down inside these holes or crevices. Once I am finished scanning side one, you're just going to pause the scan, and I'm going to flip my part over. I'll scan the other side, and I'll actually combine them together into one solid part. We're just collecting those markers one more time. Switching to laser mode. And collecting data. It's really a visual process to know when you're done with scanning. Just look at the screen and just see all the data you want is collected. Once you're done with that, we're going to step over to my computer and do a little bit of post-processing, clean up the data, and align them together. Back in Artec Studio, I have my two scans here cleaned up. All we're going to do now is align them. Software is actually going to use the targets that I placed on the part itself to do that alignment. You're going to see them snap together right there. The only other thing we're going to have to do is run it through a fusion tool. That tool is just going to take those two original scans, combine them together, and turn them into a mesh. That mesh you can export as an STL and take that into any other reverse engineering software or inspection software. And there's our completed mesh right there. Again, we are Digitize Designs. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or give us a call.